Ganun na lang yun.
Pengi naman.
Oo, ganun na lang yun. Wala ba lang padala? Pero maganda rin ang inilalaro niya in the pro ranks, ha? Solid guard.
And here we go.
Coach Ralph Rivera yata siya. Hindi ko lang sigurado kung anong team ni JJ ngayon.
And here we go for our third quarter. Sa laban ng Mapua Cardinals and San Sebastian Golden Stags as Clint Escamis misses on his first try dito sa ating third quarter. Apat ang hinahabol nitong Golden Stags. Yung mga nakapula. Paeng Are, kung kanina sa first half off the bench, now he's gonna start his third quarter, coach. Paeng from the three. Mindes. May push daw.
Ito naman yung magugustuhan mo kay Regs Gabat. Every time na merong shot attempt, ka-crush boards talaga. Crush kung crush. Makikipag-agawan ng bola yan sa taas. Kaya pagkakalaban mo tong San Sebastian, I mean NCAA teams, kailangan talaga promote check ka eh. Kailangan pumax out ka muna. Kasi yung mga players na hindi katangkaran, kung kuhanin nila yung bola, tatalon sila, mauuna talaga sila tumalon.
Hahanapin mo talaga yung tao mo.
Oo, dapat. Basic teaching point yan.
Felebrico decides to take it inside. Nako, naubusan na ng shot clock doon ang Golden Stags.
Halos madapa din siya dun sa scoop layup na yun.
Will be coming back to the Mapua Cardinals. Nagpa full court press na itong pero medyo maluwag pa.
Paramdam lang.
Paramdam lang. Cardinals.
Delay. Para ubusin lang yung oras. Pero yun, hindi na paramdam yun. Kasi ang ganda ng entry pass kay Chris. Napakahirap nyo napasa, yung paloobo na lob. Kasi usually pagka hindi nalingat yung bantay, masusundot yun sa taas.
Saka masyado nang malalim si Chris Hubilia kanina.
Exactly.
Pag-angat mo, hahanapin mo pa yung butas.
Watch the spin down action. Good deny by Bangkale. Tahimik ngayon si Chico.
3 to shoot for the red shirt. Felebrico fakes.
Ayun na naman.
Naubusan na naman doon. The defense of Mapua Cardinals. Kumakagat na rito. Escamis bumps, decides to take it but swishes it to the right side. Nasa ibabaw ang bola ngayon. Bancale, diretso. Oh, that's Cuenco. I'm sorry. Grab pa sana pero tumama sa mukha nitong sa Paeng Are. Sumunod Eto, meron na naman tayong report mula sa ating courtside reporter, Flo Del Agua. Flo?
NCAA Season 100 is a very unpredictable season and this game is a living proof. Down by only a few points, the San Sebastian Golden Stags want to turn things around. Papasok ng second half. Sabi nga sa kanilang dugout, kailangan pa nilang git-gitin ang kalaban lalo na't dalawang big man ang katapat. Their defense doesn't need to be extravagant. It only needs to be firm and consistent. Makakahabol kaya sila at magkaroon ng plot twist? Let's find out all together. Nico and Coach Hammer.
Talking about points in the paint, sinasabi mo kanina, Coach.
Man, pero hindi nga daw dapat bongga yung depensa. Kailangan medyo demure.
Very cutesy.
Kailangan steady ka lang, dyan ka lang sa harapan. Hindi mo naman kailangan maging extra.
As Gabat, all board there. Nako, lakas nun. Narinig ko yung...
ang kunat nung hampas, no?
Hampas na yan.
Pero going for the ball, kasama yan.
And going back to dun sa report ni Flo, dalawang big man daw ang pinakang problema nitong mga taga San Sebastian.
Kaya malalaki din sila pero bata pa Si Velasco, maganda yung kaha. Si Ricio, maganda yung tira sa labas, nakaka-dribble, marunong din maglaro. Pero pinaka-effective kasi itong team nila pag si Felebrico, ang 4. Tapos si Ari Escobido, tapos yung isa either Gabat, yung magkapatid, or itong si Pascual, or si Aguilar. So, yan yung best 5 nila So, ang tanong, paano mo pakakabain para umabot sila nung last, yung money rounds, kumbaga.
As Felebrico sinks his last shot from the charity stripes, he has 7 points and 3 rebounds. Working hard for this game is Felebrico. Let's see if he can sustain. Sabi mo nga, may matitira bang energy hanggang dulo. Cuenco. Pick by Igliane. Binigay sa kanan. Hubilia spins once again and scores.
Minamalang. Bagsak dito si think that's TJ Felibrico. Doon sa pagpihit.
Mukhang dumiin. Sabi natin, maninipis itong mga big man ng... ito si Chris Ubilla, manipis eh.
Ayun, si Ubilla, malapad nga yan, pero win yan. Tingnan natin doon sa pagpihit. Tinamaan sa dibdib, pero it's a legal move kasi nandun siya sa cylinder, wala namang extension. Sapul sa dibdib si TJ.
Mayari.
Kasi tingnan mo yung pihit pagka-drop pass.
Tingnan natin kung sakto. Ubilla. Ayun.
Ay,
yung pangalawa.
Yung the please. Yun ang mas maganda yung isang angulo yung dun sa may kabilang baseline.
Yung dulong...
kasi yun ang turo din sa mga big man. Pag pumihit, eto, pangkikita mo, hindi naman nag-extend ng siko talaga si Ubilla. Yun yung galaw eh.
The first one.
Oo, poprotektahan mo yung bola. Chinin lang niya yung bola. In extended elbows, walang swing. So it's a basketball move.
Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin na kailangan idiin mo.
Oo, exactly. Kasi pihit yun eh. Pumihit, hindi naman siya nag-swing ng elbow kasi pag pumihit ka sa ilalim, tapos nakaganito ka, hampasin ka naman. So you have to protect yourself then.
Ang tawag dyan, nagkataon.
No, natapat lang. And it's a good play. Oh, tama. Good call by our officials. Very good call.
It's part of that move nitong si Chris Ubilla.
Sinalo mo yung buong, tablis na nga, hindi yung siko, pero matulis kasi yung siko.
Masakit lang talaga, coach. Kahit sino naman.
Para ka na funny bone sa sternum. Hindi funny yun. Masakit yun. Dami kong tinanggap na ganyan sa ensayo pa lang.
Tingnan natin kung maapektuhan to si Felibrico.
Ang sakit niyan kasi pag tinamaan ka doon sa gitna, mawawalan ka ng hininga. Hindi nga doon sa may bodega yung sa gitna. Kasi manenervousin ka pa, lalo pag ang tulis ng tama sa'yo.
Yung tatama pa sa'yo, pinakamalaki. As Golden Stags will try to answer here. 2 puntos pa lang, nai-score nila rito. Are, 10 to shoot, gives it to the right side. 7 to work with.
Take ito.
Gabat ang bola, mauubusan na naman ang shot clock. Felibrico from the corner is good.
Sa wakas, sa pangatlong subok, down sa kanilang shot clock and knocking down that shot was TJ Felibrico.
3-point shot is the best friend of Golden Stags for today.
Oh, exactly. They're able to make a handful of them.
Escamis, 8 to shoot. And he was fouled from the 3. Great play there mula kay Clint Escamis. Binato niya na lang doon, pero yun yung balak niya. Nakita mo yung galaw niya from that screen.
Yes,
from that handoff. And look at that. Clint Escamis for a chance to do a 4-point play here.
Sumabit yung bantay. Wala naman siyang extension. Pwede pa nga maging landing spot. Pero buti, palayo yung challenge ni Pascual. Sumabit siya dun sa isang tao.
Ginagawa talaga ni Clint yan.
At saka yung tira niya, yung coming off a screen, pin down, paakyat, 1-2 step, and then elevate. That's a shot.
And he completes that 4-point play. Paeng Are will try to lead his team in this third quarter. They're down by 7. Velasco gives it to the open Felibrico. And Clint Escamis, you're saying, coach, a two-way player itong si Escamis.
Pero you gotta give credit where credit is due. Ang ganda rin ng screen dito ni Gabat. Hindi makikita eh. Solid screen. Napilitan mag-switch. Hindi naman tao ni Felibrico itong si Escamis. Sa sobrang kunat ng screen ni Gabat, napilitan switch si Clint Escamis to challenge the shot of Felibrico. Ang tao niya si Ubilla. Tinamaan ng screen. Good screen. But you gotta make baskets.
Sabi ni Clint Escamis, no easy to, boy.
Wala. Walang easy to sa NC eh.
And that's his second foul, I think, for Clint. As Felibrico will miss his last shot. 0 out of 2 for Felibrico.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Dito kay Clint Escamis, Iverson screen. Hindi.
Uulit yata.
Oo, Iverson screen lang yan. Single Iverson.
10 to shoot for the gold shirt. Bancale. Still can't get the shot. Balik ang bola sa Mapua. Ubilla decides to drive and take it all the way. Chris Ubilla. If he's not spinning, he's gonna fly, Coach Hammer. At lamang na ng siyam. Itong Mapua Cardinals. Magbabalik tayo. Dito lang yan sa NCAA Season 100.
Ancheta. Let's see if they'll try to establish Liwag. Inon pulls up for 3. Allen Liwag. What a pass to Ancheta. And Ancheta is able to score. And gives the lead back to Benilde.
Miscommunication.
It's a 14-5 run para rito sa Mapua Cardinals as Chris Hubilia getting it done down low. Kung lilipad daw siya, walang makakasabay, Coach Hammer. As we see that, inilipad sa kabila.
Pinali pa eh. Ganda naman nun.
Kitang-kita kung hindi si Clint ang lilipad, itong si Chris Hubilia. And great pass also mula rito kay Bancali. Hindi niya pinilit eh. Mostly kapag ganun, nagmintis siya sa una. Yung pangalawa, binigay niya na lang muna.
Baka fried chicken din yung brinance niya ng mga player na Mapua. Talon ng talon. No?
Lipad na lipad.
Lipad ng lipad.
Golden Stag still down by 9. Paeng Are. Still naghahanap ng kanyang rhythm dito sa third quarter. Velasco. Ito na naman yung play nila ni Felebrico. At traveling yata. Ang itatawag, ano yun? Foul?
Foul sa
It's a
baba.
foul.
Foul sa baba. Si Chris Hubilia. Binalakang yung depensa. Nang balakang na depensa pala.
Dumalawang beses ng play na yun si Felebrico at si Velasco.
Horns play nila. Yung screen-the-screener action sa top of the key.
Baka raw gumana ngayong play na ito.
Well, gumana naman. Nakakuha sila ng foul. Penalty na dito ang Mapua.
10 to shoot for the red shirt. Gabat gives it to Felebrico. Yung isa pa ba? Felebrico for the second three of this third quarter.
Benga.
Sakto
yung pagkapasa. Humelp yung tao.
And still here by the red shirt. Paeng Are. Mag-isa. And here comes the run nitong Golden Stags.
Kahit nag 14-5 run, makakuha lang ng stop. Nandudun na naman sila. Striking distance.
They're now just down by 4 here. Mapua gets it to their main guy, Clint. Cuenco. Finally, for Cuenco.
Ang lamig ng 3-point shot na yun.
Kanina pa, sabi niya. What an answer there mula sa Mapua Cardinals.
They needed that. They needed a little bit more breathing room dahil nararamdaman na nila yung footsteps. They're hearing the footsteps of the Golden Stags.
Are spins. Binigay sa ilalim kay Velasco. Fakes. Minpis lang doon. Are gets another rebound. Di tumama.
Di tumama. Paldog yung tira ni Velasco.
As you see this Golden Stags play mula rito kay Felebrico.
It's a play.
For his second three. And another steal. This time Paeng Are going all the way. 52-45. 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Another pull-up mula rito kay Cuenco. Nangangapa kanina. Ito, hindi na.
Thumbs up play. Ulit, tinawag naman.
Mark Cuenco has 14 points under his name. 5 points in this quarter. At naghahanap pa siya ng mga kakampi. Clint Escamis, the number 1 guy in still. Scores the basket. Kung may ginagawang mabuti itong Golden Stags, may isasagot naman itong Mapua Cardinals. They're still up 56-45. Magbabalik ang NCAA Season 100.
And that's why he is there.
Kaya naman itong EACA, they transferred into a zone.
Manguba drains the triple. Unang punto sa laban natin para kay Lawrence Manguba.
Make the most out of it. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan ka ulit gagamitin. Hindi mo alam kung kailan mag-ulit yung mga kasama mo, di ba?
That's right.
So, kailangan. Ito na naman. Ayun!
Lawrence!
Mapua Cardinals led by this guy, Clint Escamis, and also other guys trying to make the name of their own, eh talagang sumasabay dito sa ratsyada ng mga taga Golden Stags. May isasagot at isasagot. Ito ang mga taga Mapua Cardinals.
Yup, etnep na. Itong si Clint Escamis sa production. Ayun yung huling dalawa. 6 na puntos dito sa ating third quarter.
Bawing-bawi mula doon sa kanyang hindi gaano kagandahang performance. Mark Cuenco right now with 14 points, 6 out of 10 from the field. 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 block mula rito kay Cuenco.
60% from the field. Big numbers yan.
Golden Stags has the leather. Gabat pulls up. Mintes. Naghahanap ng foul doon. Tatakbo ang Mapua. Cuenco. Sabi natin, 14 points ang kinakamada ngayon. Nitong si Cuenco. Still has the leather. Gives it to Haboneta. Fakes, drives, shoots, and scores.
Running hook para kay John Habonete.
Haba eh. Hindi mo mabablakan yun.
Parang pa-floater nga na hook shot.
Felebrico. Bantay na bantay nitong si Egliane. Gives it to Gabat. He misses a 3 kanina. Felebrico, 8 to shoot. Against Egliane. Dirk Nowitzki move. Mintis lang doon.
1-foot jumper.
Egliane gets the ball here. Gives it to the right side. 2:45 remaining in this third quarter. Habonete, hindi na lumapit. Gives it to the right side. It's good! From long range.
Pinaunlakan naman siya ng isang magandang 3-point shot. Again, strong side help. Just an easy read for the attacker.
And here's a brand new biggest lead mula rito sa Mapua Cardinals. And they get the ball back once again. Yam Concepcion. Cuenco fakes, drives, and scores! Cuenco. Namamagana ang kalamangan. Pero Escobedo has other things in mind. Bumawi kahit isa. Lamang pa rin ang Mapua Cardinals 63-47. Magbabalik tayo with 2 minutes and 2 seconds sa third quarter dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.
Silio. Estrada is on the move. Estrada puts it up and in. So Jimboy is on.
Nanay naka 30 points sa first quarter. Right now they're just 12 and 10.
Montesilio surveys Luna, providing the screen again. 8 to shoot for Nat. Pull-up jumper. Estrada with back-to-back baskets.
Nagkaroon ng miscommunication sa Letran defense kung bakit walang tao na napunta dun sa open shooter.
Corner shot. Wow. Designated shooter. Misfires. That was a Jimboy. Jimboy likes this matchup against.
As we thought, San Sebastian Golden Stags hanging on dun sa 4-point lead kanina. Right now, Mapua Cardinals has this brand new biggest lead, 63-47, Coach Hammer.
16 na puntos na itong lamang.
Bilang mo sa mat?
Oo, ilang bilis ba? Tinignan ko agad eh. Nag-mental mat ako. Nakita mo may daliri ko kumano. pero nakakuha sila ng maraming puntos off broken plays and transition.
Kita natin yung mga transition na play nitong Mapua Cardinals. And look at that, 14-2 run mula sa Mapua. Ang pinakawalan nila ron. And let's see if they can add up. Fermin, a former Adamson University player, itong si Aaron Fermin, now with Mapua Cardinals. I think, pwede niya sabihin second chance, coming off an injury before the pandemic.
Tsaka inaantay pa natin bumalik yung timing niya.
Yes.
Kasi nakikita mo eh, malapad yung kaha, matangkad, mahaba. Pero medyo off pa yung timing ni Aaron. Hopefully, he regains his confidence dahil he was highly recruited coming out of Arellano in high school.
Felebrico. Nasa na bola? Fermin has the ball now. Tignan natin yung timing ni Fermin. Kung kakagat sa araw na to.
Makukuha mo lang yan sa kakalaro.
Habonete, sayang, nabitawan ng bola, but he gets it. Mintis lang doon. Are has the ball. 1:20 remaining in the third. Are fires, nope. decides to take it to the left side. And wala.
Over the backboard.
Sayang, panira na rin kay Aaron, but being unselfish, binigay dun sa kaliwa for more open shot. Mintis nga lang mula rito sa Golden Stags. Anong tawag dito? Paeng Aaron with a push. What we're seeing right now, Mapua trying to push the ball inside. Tignan natin kung may mako-contribute niya. Ito si Aaron Fermin kanina. Habonete. Driving na to the lane. Talagang inaangat na ang bola para walang makaabot.
Oo, kasi ngayon meron silang height advantage.
Yep.
Dahil experienced na rin tong si Fermin.
Mangubat. 10 seconds to shoot. Fermin fades, fires, misses. Yam! And the ball will stay with the gold shirt. Hahaba nitong mga taga-Mapua talaga.
Parehas gold. Red and gold.
Scam is free from the 3. Mintis lang doon. And Scam is will be getting his 3rd foul here.
Ito, ang titignan natin dito kung pwedeng
unsportsmanlike
kasi may nauna ng isa.
Let's see.
Ito, tingnan mo, may nag-leak out na rito eh. Ayun, nakauna na si may kanan mo. Si Gabat yata yun. Polo Gabat yung
nakatakbo na agad.
Oo. So yun yung isa sa mga dapat tingnan natin mga officials.
Ayan nga. Si Gabat.
May nauna ng isa. So that's a clear path foul.
No easy to talaga itong si Escamis. Kapag nakita kang tatakbo, di bali na. As we're seeing a referee reviewing the call there. If there's really an unsportsmanlike foul dahil nauna na nga itong si Gabat on that transition.
Clear path.
Clear path, I'm sorry.
Pero kasi sa FIBA, unsportsmanlike din yung tawag.
Yeah. 24-12. Third quarter points. Sa parehong kupunan, Mapua Cardinals binubuhos lahat dito sa third quarter. Mamaya, meron pa tayong kasunod na laro right after this. LPU Pirates will try to win 3 straight. Ang kalaban nila, CSB Blazers. Coach, wala na palang
unbeaten.
Wala nang step ladder. Natalo na.
Kasama yan. May nanalo. Again, tinalo ng litra ng Binild. So yan, it's a good call by our officials. That's a clear
path foul.
Clear path foul. It's an unsportsmanlike foul.
Kala ko rin kanina, tumama sa ulo yung hampas ni Clint.
Hinabol lang yung bola.
Paeng Are will try it right now sa Charity Stripes. Hindi makahulog si Are ngayon. Kung anong ganda ng laro niya. First half. Itong second half. Sa third quarter, hindi natin gano'n naramdaman si Paeng.
Pero nandiyan naman siya.
Almost. Lalabas pa itong free throw ni Paeng. And they also have the possession. Gabat inbounding. 46 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Gabat, mangangalabaw. Fakes. Nako, chicken wing, hindi lang umabot. Tatakbo ng Mapua. Clint sa kabila. Tinasa sa ilalim and scores. Itong si Bancale.
Just getting into the lanes, filling in and finishing. Si Gigo Bancale.
Four-point differential sa game clock and shot clock. Paeng Are decides to take it inside. Fakes. Binato sa labas. 6 to shoot for Golden Stags. Wala lang doon. 7 seconds for Mapua. They can still have a shot here. Clint fires. And misses. And at the end of the third quarter, Mapua still leading here 65-48. May isa pang quarter. Magbabalik tayo dito lang sa NCAA Season 100.